Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile mobile hotspot setting, how to use. So friends, in your oppo mobile you want to use mobile hotspot setting, you want to set up mobile hotspot. So friends, now let's see how to set up oppo mobile hotspot one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your oppo mobile, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone chatting phase, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile, scroll down here, open your phone connection and sharing setting. Aeroplane mode setting you want to use, so you can on aeroplane mode setting. If you click here personal hotspot setting, so you can use your oppo mobile personal hotspot setting. So friends, you can see use a personal hotspot to share your Wi-Fi or mobile network connection. So friends, you want to share your mobile hotspot, you want to on your mobile hotspot, so you can on and you can share your mobile data. Mobile to mobile, you can use internet with QR code, and if you turn on your Wi-Fi, if you connect Wi-Fi, so you can share Wi-Fi with QR code mobile to mobile. Friends, if you turn off your personal hotspot setting, QR code will remove. Click here hotspot setting. Then first of all you can check your oppo mobile hotspot device name, and you can check your oppo mobile hotspot password, and you want to rename, you want to change your hotspot password, so you can change your hotspot password in oppo mobile. So friends, my password is 123455431. Right click here, password will change in your oppo mobile. So friends, you have new hotspot password. And friends, if you click here connection management setting, you can check your hotspot block list. You have blocked any device by mistake, so you can unblock from here. Maximum allowed connection setting, friends, click here, you can set your maximum allowed connection 1 2 3 4. You can set here in your oppo mobile. Data limit setting, friends, you want to use in your oppo mobile. So friends, click here, you can set your mobile hotspot data limit 10 MB, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1 GB, 5 GB, and last 10 GB. You can set your data limit. So friends, I will set here 200 MB. Turn off hotspot automatic setting. Turn off hotspot automatic setting means if you turn on this setting in your android mobile, in your oppo mobile, where no device is connected for 10 minutes. So friends, for 10 minutes no device are connected with your mobile hotspot, your oppo mobile hotspot will off automatic if you on this setting in your android mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.